Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel Skill RPA. Till the previous session, what we have done is like we completed our dispatcher and we also completed our init all applications. But here we developed the whole workflow under the init all applications. But what we need to do is we need to generate this as a separate workflow because this is logging into procurement anywhere application. So let me drag a sequence here. Let me write login procurement anywhere application, and we'll be keeping all these activities inside this sequence. And let us select this sequence and we'll extract as a workflow, and we'll be keeping this in a separate folder, and we'll be creating a new folder, procurement anywhere. Okay, new file will be created and it will be username and password will be, shouldn't be an auto argument, so this should be the variables. Convert to variables, yes, it's done. This is also variable, so we should have only one in argument, that is in under config. So we'll be passing in the in underscore config. So with this we completed our init. So let us complete the end process and then we'll come to the process example. So first we need to go for, we need to create a workflow here under this procurement anywhere. Close procurement anywhere. So attach browser, and we'll be attaching this. We just close this. We're attaching this, and we'll be clicking on logout. Once we log out, we need to attach the another browser in order to close the tab. We'll use close tab. Procurement anywhere. Logged out page. And click on logout. We are not closing this application. We are just keeping it out just to see what is the result of this. And even to close this also, we just need to use close tab activity like what we have done here in this. So with this, like we completed our complete init and the end process as well. Nothing to change in the get transaction data state. So we'll directly go to process transaction and we'll see. So here what else we need along with the config, we need dt underscore agent mapping. We need to take that from the main flow. So here DT agent mapping. Oops. So we need to change type to data table, and here we'll be going here DT agent mapping. In the process.yaml, we need to see what we are getting here, right? So let me go to the UiPath orchestrator, and we'll see how the queue item is got created. Let us go to the queues and see the transaction item. Go to view details. So PO number and field selector we got. So we'll take PO number. So let us create a variables for these two, PO number and field selector. So we'll use assign activity. We'll use multiple assign, PO number, field selector, in underscore transaction item dot specific content of PO number dot toString. Close. In underscore transaction item dot specific content dot toString. So now we got the PO number and also the field selector. So now we need to get the information from procurement anywhere application, and we need to update it back here for each transaction. So how we are going to do it? First, let us run this and let us see whether everything is working as expected or not, and whether the PO numbers are getting printed out or not. And then we will continue with that. So let me close this, and I'm running this. Report got started, and it should launch the supply chain management application. So it is trying to download the agent sheet with the help of HTTP request, and it is capturing the username and password as well. And now it clicked on to go to the procurement anywhere, and it started logging into that application. And now what it will do is it will write all the details in the logs. We are not using the logs, right? So that is fine. In case if it is not giving any error, then that it will be great. Yeah. So we need to get into the process. Now we need to utilize these two, and we need to update the things back. So let me do one thing. Let us take the password. So under this, we'll use create a sequence, get PO details, procurement anywhere. So for this, we need in underscore PO number and use attach browser, and we'll be attaching this browser and we'll be typing in search bar in underscore PO number. And then we need to get the text. We need to use three get text activities in order to get the order total, ship date, and also state. So we'll have a out variables here, out underscore order total, out underscore ship date, out underscore state. So these three we need to send it out from this workflow. So we'll be writing out order total, out ship date, out state. So we almost done. Like we could able to extract the details out of it, and but just want to make sure that element exists. We'll use element exists activity here just to make sure that we are coming up with the valid purchase order. Go to this along with the table row. We need to take the name as well, so that like we'll validate against the purchase order number that we are getting the correct purchase order number. Okay, validate this, and here instead of this number, we'll be going with argument. Choose argument, and then it will be PO number. And we'll be saving this. PO number exists, and we'll put an if condition here. Not PO number exists, then we are going to throw an exception. And this will be our business rule exception. New business rule exception. PO number not found in procurement anywhere application. If PO number not found. So we will be renaming all the activities. So here we'll be writing attach procurement anywhere application. Type PO number PO number exists. Order total ship date state. So now we are returning the things back to the process. So let me just drag and drop this. Get PO details from procurement anywhere application. So what we are going to do is we are going to pass in the PO number, and we are going to take the order total, ship date, and state. So let me create the variables here. Order total, ship date, state. Also, we need agent name, right? So we have the data table. So we need to go for the state and then, so let us open that application. Agent mapping. So if the state, we just need to have a filter based on the state. So we'll use filter data table activity and filter agent table, and it will be dt underscore agent mapping, and we are going to create a variable dt agent mapping. So this is a variable and this is an argument. So this will be specific to one particular state. So we'll take the state column name equal to state. If dt agent mapping dot rows dot count greater than 0. So in the else condition, we'll be using throw activity. New business rule exception. So if the agent is not available for that particular state or state is not available, then it is an issue. That will be a business rule exception. Agent not found for given state. Agent not found in mapping. And here we need to assign the agent name. Agent name is nothing but AT agent name mapping dot rows of 0 of full name dot string. So we just need to give the column name of this full name. So we just need to write here assign agent name if agent found. So everything is done. And now we just need to assign these variables here. Order total, ship date, state. So next is like we need to enter this information, right? So we need to create a sequence here. Enter people details in SCM. Create. So we'll use attach browser activity first. Here SCM application. Type into, we need to enter the ship date and also order total, and we need to select the agent name. Okay, so let us write this. Type in Date, order total, and select agent. So we need to create the three variables, the arguments. In underscore order total, in underscore ship date, in underscore agent. So we just need to pass this in underscore agent, in underscore ship date, and here it is in underscore order total. And we need to remove the dollar symbol as it was already previously mentioned. So we'll use the replace method in order to remove that. So now we got all these three and we are entering it. But here we need to get one more thing, which is in underscore field selector, because we need to be sure that in which we are doing, in which field we are updating the things. So let us go to this ID, open this in UI Explorer, and we'll just select this here, choose argument, and we'll provide field director. So we just need to do the same for other two activities as well. Let me do it here. Go to UI Explorer. We'll select this, choose arguments, field selectors, save, open. We need to select the ID as well. And for one instead of one, we'll be choosing field selector. Save this. Done. So now we're done with everything. We just need to keep only clicking on submit. So where we are going to do that is we are going to do that in the end process, because for each activity we don't have to do that. So before closing of all these applications, or after closing this, I'm just putting attach browser, select this, and we'll use click submit. Click submit. Select this, submit, click submit. Attach CM application. So it's done. And with this, I think we've done everything. We just need to drag and drop this SCM, enter PO details, and just need to pass in these values. Order total, ship date, agent name, and we need to pass in the field selector as well. So now this should start working on all these PO numbers. Let me close this and let us run this application. So it opened the application now, and it is going. It opened the procurement anywhere application and it is logging in now. And now it should start searching for each PO number. Yeah, I got it, got it. There is something wrong going on, which is nothing but the PO numbers are like we need to empty this field before we are writing something. So we'll stop it from here itself directly and we'll come to the process. And in this also, it is saying that ship date is something else. Hmm. See, if we say here, right, it is giving ship date and these spaces. So from where it is getting it? Let us do one thing. Let me remove this. You get might be taken from here. Let us see. Get PO details. Yeah, we wrongly identified this. So we'll indicate on the screen and for this. Perfect. And now what we need to do is we just need to like even for searching also when you are we are typing this PO number, you just need to mark one thing empty field so that it will delete the existing and it will search for the new PO number. And we need to use trim for all this and here also trim in order to avoid the spaces. Dot trim. Yeah. So now this should work as expected. So with this we completed our complete development and from the next video we are going to test this workflows like as a complete project and then we will deploy this to the UiPath orchestrator. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to Skill RPA YouTube channel.